Hey guys, welcome. This is Geek Gaming Pro. We're here back. We're gonna play off-road outlaws, and we're gonna do custom truck builds. Whoever has the best truck, please rate it 1 out of 10 in the comments. So, okay, hold on. I'm trying to get into multiplayer. Okay, the code is what? 3, 4. Okay. Okay, chill. Okay, chill. I'm gonna turn back my bro. Turn back my truck up, chill. Okay, chill. Go back to my truck up one. So tell me about your build. Okay. Not bad. Okay. See. And it's a diesel, right? Does it got full engine upgrades, turbos, NOS, everything? Okay. Okay. You wanna see my truck now? So I have like this matte kind of blue color, these black wheels, and these all-terrain tires. Bro, what you doing? Move your truck. So I got this like headlight bar, exhaust out of the hood, it's diesel, turbos, rear bumper, uh, headlight bar, rear light bar, uh, suspension lift, and then bigger tires. So yeah, we're about to start this mud fest. So we're gonna start the finish line. Whoever wins, I want to see whoever wins. Okay, come on, try to get on the truck. Oh. Okay, let's start the mud fest. So we're gonna go up to the chicken flag. I don't know about that. Oh my god. Yo, hey, I like this truck. Bro, what is this game doing? It won't even let me flip back over. Bro, Jace, I'm stuck. I fell off the loopy loop. Now I'm stuck. And I can't even flip over. What should I do? Like, come back, come on. Like, come back, come help me up. Oh, then never mind then. I'm stuck. I'm right by the loopy loop. I'm right at the loopy loop. Bro, it's got I fell off the loopy loop, and you know how, like, lets me flip back over? It won't even let me flip back over. It won't. Wait, dude, you got a winch? You got a winch? Okay. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, because I want to go up the ramp. I think I want to go a bit too slow. So when I went up, you know the middle of the ramp, I fell off of it, and then I fell on the tires, and then like I got like stuck. I see you. I see you. I see you. I literally see you. Golly, brother. Dang, that truck moves fast. What'd you do to it? Tune the gearing? Oh, I do. That. Oh wait. Yo, it worked. Wait, hold on. Cancel. No, I fell off the map, bro. I found the map again. I found the freaking map. Bro, I'm still stuck on that court because I fell off the map. Okay, look. I made it. I made it past the loopy loop now. Slow down. And then slow down. I had to. I'm at the crates where all the crates are at. I'm at the part where all the crates are at the main corner. I'm at that. I'm not too much for gearing because my 4x4 is good now. But it's called like this truck's something handling. I'm getting through them right now. I'm still trying to. Get here to finish. Bro, I hey, let's go again. But hold on, wait, let me leave. Let me tune my gearing real quick. Let me tune my gearing. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll see about that. I'm gonna change. Oh, you do? Okay.
Okay, let's go again. Hey, host the map. What's the code? Jace. Oh, okay. What? Peace, guys. Later. This is Geek Gaming Pro signing out. Y'all know what it is. Peace. Hope y'all enjoy and like the video. Like and subscribe.